Good morning, everyone. This is Dee with D&D Gardening, and welcome to our channel. Today is Sunday, May 31st, and it is 6:49 a.m. Mr. D and I are coming out early because it's going to be 95 degrees today, so we've got some things that need to be taken care of today. The number one thing is I need to set my irrigation, and the number two thing is I need to thin out my corn because almost all of the seeds that I planted came up, so come along with me. Oh, and this is day 4 of garden renovation. Okay, so as you may know or may not know, corn really does not like their roots disturbed. However, I'm going to do this anyway because there are some areas where the seeds did not germinate, so I want to put one of the extra seedlings into those holes. So all I have to do is go through, see what has germinated, what has not, thin them out, and plant what the extras that I have, if I can. I'm gonna try it. And I did not bring my stool, y'all. I'll be back. I should be cutting these and not pulling them up. Now I'm going to do these the proper way and cut so I'm not damaging the roots. Because this year, I'm determined we're going to get some corn. I'm going to let those two grow so I can see which one is going to be the strongest. This one, for some reason, I must have put 3 in here by accident. In here, too. All right, which one of y'all is the healthiest? Yeah, I don't know how this hurts my heart. I just said I was going to leave you. I hate thinning out. I feel like that's a waste of plant life. But sometimes you can't help it. I am not going to thin out my carrots though. And I'm not sure if I'm going to broadcast seed or if I'm just going to plant in designated spots. Some people would ask me, why am I, after I cut them, I remove them? Because I like the bed to look neat. Now, you may be wondering, how am I determining which ones I am going to clip? I'm doing that by looking at the stalk of the corn to see how thick it is. If it's beginning to get thick and one is thicker than the other, the one that's not thick, I cut. That's how I determine what I'm going to remove and what I'm going to let stay. I should have removed that one. I didn't see the brown on the leaves, but that's okay. I'm not going to pull any more up to replant. I did 3. No, I did 2. I'm not going to do any more, because I don't know if you guys remember or not, but I told y'all, whenever I start fiddling with stuff, things go wrong. So I'm going to let it do what it do. I'm just going to try my best to help it out in any kind of way I can. That one is really bad looking, but he only has 1. So I don't know what I'm going to do about that one. Okay, on over to here. And this one has 3 in it. And this must have just... Okay, so I'll get these 2, since they're right next to each other. Now, if I'm not mistaken, I believe corn are heavy feeders. So you have to make sure that you get on a regular fertilizing schedule with them, because they will drain your bed of nutrients. Why am I missing some of these? I know I said I was going to leave that one, but I lied. I'm going to take this one. There's 2 over there. I got all these. I can't find my garden stool, so I'm going to have to get me another one. Or I could just keep using my crate. It don't matter. At least this gets me closer. You're thicker, but some of your leaves damaged. And I planted these next to this tree so they can get some shade because I don't want the corn to burn up. So that's why this bed is here for things that need sunlight but would easily burn. And I don't want anything burning because it's too hot. So that's why I planted them over here. Now they'll still get sunlight, but they won't get as much. Okay, there's one more there. No, there's 2 or 3 more. And we have ant beds everywhere. If they were beneficial, I'd leave them alone, but they're not. They're a nuisance. They may have their little agenda, but it doesn't go with mine. So they got to go. Because like I always say, if you ain't working in the garden, you got to get up out of here. Okay, that leaf is not doing so well, so I'll leave the other one. I thought I saw one more over here. There's one right in front of me. All right. Corn is thinned out. Such a pretty bed. I love fresh seedlings, and then seedlings that have just exploded in color. Okay, Donald, do me a favor and look and see if I'm cutting off my head.
No, you good.
Okay.
Yeah, you good.
Okay.
You using this?
Well, I was going to put, if you can put that back in there, because I can't use it now. That's all my irrigation stuff.
What are you using this?
No, not now.
All right.
I just moved it to bring that closer to me. Take this for now. I don't want to leave it out here. Okay, so setting up the irrigation is going to have to wait because I did not order my 1/2-inch tubing that runs from the faucet to the beds. So I ordered some from the Amazing Store, and I should be getting it sometime today between 5 and 10, which means irrigation project tomorrow. But Mr. D is getting ready to start loading up the beds with compost so I can plant the last of the seedlings that I have and get my trellis put together so I can plant some beans. I know it may be late, but I'm planting them anyway. So thank you for joining me, If this is your first time or your fifth time watching one of our videos or visiting our channel, hit that subscribe button. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell to be notified the next time we upload a video. And always remember, grow your own, eat your own. So until I see you on the next one, take care. Bye.